welcome to Da Nang and welcome to the beach road. The sun is back. I can't believe it. Now we just have to make it alive here, and now we are at the beach. Well, look at this. Who showed up again? The sun. I hope it's over with the rain right now. We are at the My Khe beach here, and we're gonna take a stroll and check out how the ocean is treating us right now. After a few days, actually a week, 1.5 weeks of rain and somehow gray weather, we are back. And obviously everyone is now at the beach because it's a Saturday and we are having beautiful sun back again. Can't believe it. I gotta check out the water quality as well. This is the beautiful beach promenade of My Khe Beach. Look at this. People are in the water. It's still very much wavy and rough sea, but I think you can go in already. Definitely I see some surfers out there, but I think we're good to go. 3 people in the water there. You might not want to go all the way in. This could be a little strong over there, but yeah, here, everything is fine. Beach is nice and wide. Not 100% back, but it is good. Marcus is all the way there in the Rosamia Hotel, so we're gonna take a stroll there and then we're gonna see what he's doing there on the rooftop. Next to be there at the rooftop. Oh. Woo! Gotta be careful! Nice. It's almost like summer again. But we have still 50% of rain this month. So I think March is way better, way safer. If you just have some 1 or 2 weeks, I would still recommend you coming in April or mid-March, just to be safe. It should be fine, but just to be safe, come in a little bit later of the year. I think the beginning of February was good, or end of January, beginning of February was good. Then we had now 1.5 weeks of bad. The lifeguard is whistling people in again. No swimming over there. But yeah, it's good. We're back. Can't wait to be on the boardwalk again. Boardwalk, I'm not sure if you can call it that. The beach promenade. There you see the Santra Mountains over there. This is why people love this place so much. When it's sun out and everyone is having the good time here. The beach will be way more calmer and swimmable in April. So, yeah. Not many people in the water. I think they're whistling everyone in again. But we're gonna go on the promenade and take a little stroll. See how it looks there. My favorite shots of Da Nang. It's always there. There you can rent some surfboards. I just came back from the Furama Resort. I did my 100th hotel review there. I'm excited. It should be out next week. It was very nice there. Lots of subscribers from a German channel were there actually, which is very interesting. And they were pretty packed. But yeah, Furama is so calm and nice. I really enjoyed it. But I'm also very happy to be back here, even though it's just 5 minutes from here. It's so close. So the first resort on this side, if we go all the way there where we just started, is Premier Village. After Premier Village is Pullman, and after Pullman is Furama. So it's very close. So if you want to have a beach resort right close to the beach and to Da Nang, to the main beach, that's the place to go to be. This is Maya Beach Club. It's back on track. Cute doggo, huge golden retriever puppy. I love it. Maya Beach is packed. It's weekend and it's great weather, so everyone is gonna go to the beach. And as soon as the sun goes down, it's gonna be even more packed, I think. My favorite beach spot here is also pretty packed. Business is booming, that's nice. My yellow cart over here. Very nice. I always get some coffee or coconuts. I don't. Yeah, this is what I love, the combination. The palm trees, or actually coconut trees. Sand and blue sky. The perfect mix. That's what dreams about. And you can always throw your trash. Hello! And also this is also one of my nicest shots here. Going in here, it's also very nice. Here, this is usually open. I'm not sure if they're open or not. You can get some coconuts over there. Beach beds are usually 40,000 dong, so less than $2 per day. And yeah, there's enough beach space for everyone here. So the Mian Beach is a very popular place. It's right at the Antung area. It's the closest beach to the Antung or tourist area. They call it the tourist town of Da Nang. It was created just to put all the hotels in there. But to be honest, the whole coastline is full of hotels. But this is how they call it there, so the Antung area. The beach is still not as wide as last year or the year before. So we are not 100% back, but it already looks good. I'm hoping in the next month it's gonna be all repaired somehow. Usually way wider. We have here now the brand new pasta place. Lots of people sitting here as well. It's also a white truck now. And then we're gonna go to the blue truck. The blue truck at the other beach club. Usually the surfers are always here. Yeah, the surfers are still here. Wondering if they're all surfing or not. But look at this. The beach is still cut somehow here. So the beach is not as wide as last year or the year before. You have to be aware of that. You see this? Usually it should be twice this wide. This is Paradise Beach Club. Marcus is over there. We're gonna go there at the end. Take a stroll. I'm gonna show you also the nice view you have from the Rosamir Hotel. I also did a hotel review of every single hotel there. I will link it down below as well. And if you book any hotel, please use my Agoda link. Yeah, look at this. Everything is busy, booming. Good vibes. Good weekend vibes. All the way there, I see a lot of people in the water. Maybe you can go actually there in the water. And it's also a little bit easier to go there in the water actually. It's nice. see here, that's where the surfers are actually. That's where they go in. There are some waves to be ridden. Do you say it like that? To be ridden? I actually met a very nice surfer the other day from America. I'm gonna have an interview with him as well. So I want to get a little bit better understanding of the view of a surfer here in Da Nang. Because when it's like pretty wavy and the weather is not the best, then it's actually the best surfing time. Because in the summer I don't see any surfing, because it's very, very calm, the ocean actually. But now, yeah, depends. Maybe in the morning, but I will have a whole interview with him, ask him everything. Yeah. So here usually you see one volleyball net. No one is playing, because the beach part is a little bit tilted. So it should be here, should be another one on the other side, and it should be way wider. But here now, at this part, the ocean is back. And also you will always see Westerners, foreigners, more in the sunny spots where no high-rises are. So if you want to have the closest one to this beach part, I would recommend staying in Nesta Hotel. I did a review as well, very nice hotel. And it's right here, opposite of this very popular beach as well. The beach parts goes all the way to the Sontra mountain, but I will actually walk this whole area as well and show you every part of every beach. So it's another blue car here, another pizza place. So we have pasta, we have pizza, we have coconuts, we've got everything. Eh? This is another coconut spot from our very good friend Tommy here. And yeah, it's very calm. People are going in the water here actually. Right there's a small little strip they cleaned out for going in the water. And there's usually one lifeguard in there just to take care of people going to a specific part of the ocean. Sun is back. Yeah, very stylish uniforms here. And yeah, as you can see here, you can also get some massages. Look at this, massage chairs on the beach. Yeah, it's beautiful. I'm gonna give you a little bit of vibe. We're gonna check out this one popular spot as well. I wanna see how busy it is there. How you doing, mate? I just talked about you. We're gonna do an interview soon.
Yeah.
Surfer.
Yeah, I was out surfing earlier.
How was it today?
Yeah, it's kind of wild out there. The breaks are kind of, it's kind of choppy.
Yeah.
But I mean, as long as you're having fun out there, it's always a good day. So it doesn't really matter. I mean, that's kind of what it's all about. Being out there is always cool.
How much SPF do you use when you surf?
None, because I wear this long thing, and it's got a hood, and it's got, this is like a SPF.
Got
like
it.
jersey kind of thing.
Because you better be careful. The sun, sometimes even it's like windy, it's so aggressive. It's
yeah,
so
you're
aggressive.
totally right. Yeah, I went on a long walk yesterday and came home and my face was all red and I didn't feel like I even really got
exactly. I know. All right. Okay. Thank you so much.
All right,
see you next week.
You
Okay.
good, man.
Yeah, perfect. This is who the guy I talked about, the surfer's perspective in Da Nang. So yeah, he's covering himself with a UV protection shirt. Yeah, you be careful here, guys. Sometimes even in the low season, if the sun is out, people don't feel it. It's not like super hot because there's such a nice breeze in here, but you're gonna get burned. And you don't want to have too many sunburns in your life, because too many sunburns will result in bad things in the end. I'm walking around all the time. So in the summertime, I actually have always SPF on. But going well, this guy does not need any safety measurements. Oh wow, it's loud. It's mind-boggling to me that some people who do some some construction work, they just have flip-flops on, no safety glasses or anything. But yeah, so here I see a guy with a paddleboard over there. That's nice. So here usually should be a sign. This is actually a pretty wide beach as well, and there should be a huge Da Nang sign. At least that was the last time. So, but here you can see lots of surfers and paddleboarders at the same time. There's a small little strip with people going in the water. Most likely because the lifeguard is over there and checking them out. So, alright. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video and see you in the next one.